Hi, I'm Travis Spivey, and this is my son,
Jordan Spivey.
and here's our fourth video on balancing chemical equations. My son, once again, today is September 7, 2015. It's my son's birthday. Jordan, how old you turn today?
11.
Jordan is 11 years old today, 1 year old, and Jordan's going to be on this camera, and I'm going to be showing you how to balance chemical equations. Except this time, this chemical equation has a subscript in it. So let's get our camera right, point it up. So now, ladies and gentlemen, now look at our chemical equation we have now. We got CaH2O yields CaOH2 plus H2. Now, we got people that are freaking out and they're looking crazy because they don't understand. They said, oh my God, what is this right here? Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, it's something very simple. All it is, these are parentheses around a chemical formula. It's a very easy trick, very easy way to solve it. And let's begin. So now, ladies and gentlemen, like we said in our other videos, when we say balancing chemical equations, all we are doing is making sure we have the same number of elements on each side. So I went ahead and listed my elements for my reactant side and went ahead and listed our elements for our product side. We have Ca, calcium, H, hydrogen, O, oxygen on our reactant side. And on our product side, we got Ca, calcium, hydrogen, and oxygen on our product side. We're going to make sure that we get the same number of elements on each side, balancing chemical equations. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you notice, Jordan, how many calciums do we have on this side?
1.
How many hydrogens do we have on this side?
2.
And how many oxygens do we have on this side?
1.
And it, once again, it's automatically assumed. If you don't see a number behind it, it is automatically 1. And then on this side, we have 1 calcium, we have an oxygen, and we have a hydrogen, but they're in parentheses. And then we have a subscript right here. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and explain to you what this part means. So this subscript means that it's going to get distributed to the oxygen and to the hydrogen. So now let's look. I got a 2 going here and I got a 2 going here. So now that lets us know that we have 2 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. And then last but not least, we have 2 hydrogen sitting right here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we need to balance our chemical equations. So let's take a look at this. I have 1 calcium on this side, I have 1 calcium on this side. They seem to be pretty much okay. And then I have 1 oxygen on this side, but I have 2 oxygen on this side. So how do I get 2 oxygen on this side? What number would I put right here to give me 2 oxygen on this side, Jordan?
You get 1 or 2.
Good. So we can put the number 2 right here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at this once again. When we put that 2 right there, it gets distributed. It goes to the hydrogen and it goes to the oxygen. Remember, it multiplies. So, Jordan, 2 times 2 would give us what?
4.
4. So we got 4 hydrogen over here. And then 2 times 1, that would give us 2 right here. And then we've already said our calcium, we already have 1 calcium on this side. And then we've already said we have 1 calcium on this side. So now let's take a look at this. I have 2 oxygen right here because I have this subscript, 2 oxygen. And now, look at this. I have 2 hydrogen right here, but then I have another 2 hydrogen sitting over here. So 2 plus 2 gives us what, Jordan?
4.
4. And hopefully everybody in the world knows that right about now. Now let's look at our chemical equation. Let's see if it's balanced. Jordan, do I have the same number of calciums on each side?
Yes, sir.
Do I have the same number of hydrogens on each side?
Yes, sir.
And do I have the same number of oxygens on each side?
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's balancing chemical equations. Let's go.